has the potential to achieve something extraordinary. All it takes is just one opportunity to ignite that potential. Today, we are joined by two of our budding scientists
Hi, I'm Abhiram.
Hi, I'm Vedant.
who have embraced this opportunity through the Lodha Genius Camp. So, Abhiram, what exactly is Lodha Genius program?
So, the Lodha Genius program is a scientific internship conducted by the Lodha Foundation in collaboration with both Ashoka University Haryana and ICER Pune. So, me and Vedant had been to the ICER Pune Lodha Genius program. As you know, ICER Pune is one of the most prestigious institutes which is known across the world for its research. So, working along with scientists who are known across the world, and being there was only an honor for us.
Looks like Lodha Genius is really interesting.
Yes.
So, Veda, getting into this program would have not been easy. It involves many steps and classes that you had to take. So, could you explain your journey through this?
First, we are got aware from Chitrakuta school team saying that there is a program called Lodha Genius Program. There, I would like to tell thanks for Chitrakuta school team of giving this opportunity. And after enrolling, we had an executive test of science and maths. And post it was interview. In interview, they asked questions about acid, bases, and salts. After the interview, I was so happy and excited because I was selected for Lodha Genius program. I had cracked it.
So, adding to his point, we both had that mindset that we should represent our school on a national level. So, we both prepared really well for the online test and for the interview.
Wow! ICER Pune is one of India's top research institutes. As you got into ICER Pune, what was going through your mind? And what was the why of such a premier institute?
ICER Pune was a huge and a big research institute. It has many laboratories and many scientists working around. The difficulties I faced was I could not help do the time assignments on time, and I did not have time management and responsibility handling. I overcome it by Professor Dr. Amol sir, who helped me with overcoming my time management skills and responsibility skills, and I learned many new things.
Wow! ICER Pune surely is fascinating. Abhiram, you spent 21 days in such a premier institute. If you could meet yourself 21 days ago, boarding the same flight to Pune, what differences would you find in yourself?
I would find many differences because the ICER Pune and this Lodha Genius program has changed the way I look at science. So I really would like to thank the Lodha Foundation and the ICER Pune for giving this opportunity. So when we went there, we were, equipped with all the morals, ethics, and values we needed to pursue our passion in science. We also were, made to think like a scientist, and we had the right scientific mindset. They also instill the values of responsibility, leadership skills, and time management skills. So it was a huge difference. And before going to ICER Pune, I had the fear of experimentation. But after coming back from ICER Pune, I feel experiments are really good and helpful. So that's one major difference which I would find in myself.
Oh, so you surely learned a lot in those 21 days. By now, you would have attended many science camps and workshops. What differences would you find in Lodha Genius and the rest of the workshops?
So the first one is of course the location. For a scale of competition like this, like only 21 out of 21,000 students across India, only 70 people were selected. So for this, if this camp was conducted in some public location, people would not have realized the importance of this camp, and they would not have known how nice of an opportunity it is. So the location of ICER Pune was one of the most apt locations, and that was one huge difference. And the second one is a mix of three factors: the professors, the syllabus, and the facilities. Talking about professors, we worked along with famous scientists and professors who were known across the world for their research, like Professor Sunil Mukhi, Dr. Jananda K. Jain, Professor Saurabh Dubey, and even Professor Arna Mukherjee. Talking about the facilities, you cannot imagine having such facilities in any other normal science camp. And we were equipped with all the things which we needed for right and safe experimentation and to continue our study on science. And for the syllabus, usually the camps which are conducted, the science camps which are conducted at school level are based on school syllabus and are HOTS, higher order thinking, question based oriented. But ISER Pune took this Lodha Genius program, took it to a whole new level by introducing concepts which are usually learnt at an undergrad level.
Wow, Lodha Genius surely stands out. So, Veda, 21 days away from home with some of the brightest minds in the country surely is fascinating. You would also have a busy schedule. Could you explain the challenges you face and a typical day in Lodha Genius?
A typical day in Lodha Genius was very busy and calm. There were many challenges I faced: time management and responsibilities. And I both hungry. And I learned many new things, like forensic science are integrated and interconnected to the many other branches of science.
Wow, you surely learned and adopted. Abhira, if you would want to take a moment to talk about any one experiment or any activity that completely changed your outlook on science, what will it be?
So, one activity is actually a thought activity or a thought experiment known as the Schrodinger's cat experiment. Many people might have heard it before. So, as I'm interested in quantum mechanics and I had already explored superposition, connecting the theoretical topics of quantum mechanics to these kinds of experiments was a really nice experience. And one physical activity or experiment which I really liked was the chromatography from chemistry. See, getting your first chromatography data after you do the procedure is very satisfying. Also, one thing which comes to my mind from hearing the word experiment is the azo dye experiment. So, the moment the acid touches the solvent, the color rises up. It was really fascinating and interesting. So, these are the three experiments or activities which really stood out for me.
These experiments are really fun. Veda, if you would want to take one word to explain the 21 days you spent there, what will it be?
The one word I would give is hard work.
What about you, Abhiram?
So, fascinating.
Could you talk about any one professor or mentor of yours who became your new role model?
See, I can't choose one professor, but I would like to tell three names: Dr. Asim, Dr. Neeraja, and Akash sir.
Professor Kalika Prasad.
You spent 21 days in such a premier institute and a great program. If you would want to give one message to the young juniors who are aspiring to join next year, what will it be?
The message I would like to give is believe in yourself, be curious, and never stop learning.
I want to add to his point that keep your mind open for any good and new opportunities which come in your way, and never narrow down whatever you want to do in life unless you experience it, because it's my personal experience and it has happened to me.
These are some of the best advices I've heard. Lodha Genius is a nationwide program that was held. Out of the 21,000 students who had participated, only 70 students were shortlisted. As a Chitrakutan, I am proud to tell that these two students have made it to the top 70 and are part of this program. I thank Chitrakuta School for giving such a big opportunity for them.
I would like to take this moment to thank Chitrakuta School for the wonderful opportunity that was given to us.
My heartfelt thanks for Chitrakuta.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.